Hey guys, I'm going to buy a bunch of Icon tools. Bunch of things that Icon sells that I do not have. So I just wanted to let you guys know. And I will remake the list and show you guys. I'm debating on this, possibly. And same for this one. But then I already have the Icon. Locking flex head ratchet and bit set 35 piece. But then I do not have the 3H drive SAE and metric modular general service socket set 54 piece. And I do not have the quarter-inch drive SAE and metric module general service socket set 48 piece. And I'm gonna get everything in G2 as comfort grip. I already have the multi-spline screw extractor set in a 15 piece. No, my brother bought that, but I'm gonna get the 25 piece. I've already mentioned about getting the half-inch drive professional deep impact socket set, SAE and metric. And I'm thinking about getting the 3H drive professional crowfoot wrench set, SAE and metric. I'm debating, I'm probably going to get the quarter-inch 3H drive professional Torx bit socket set, 12 piece, SAE and metric. Get that. I have 3H drive professional deep socket set. I do not have 3H drive professional semi deep socket set, which I'll get. I'll get the half-inch drive professional deep socket set. I have an extension set, so I don't have to really worry about that. Get the 4th inch 3H drive half-inch drive professional E-Torx socket set, 13 piece. Get the Icon half-inch drive impact swivel socket set, half-inch drive professional shallow socket set. I'll probably just in case get the Icon 3H drive oil filter sockets, 7 piece. I'll get the Icon 3H drive professional deep impact socket set, SAE and metric. I'll get the 3H drive professional Torx bit socket set, 7 piece. I'll get the half-inch drive professional socket set, SAE and metric. I don't need extensions. I'll get the quarter-inch drive metric professional universal joint shallow socket set, 11 piece. I'll get the 3H drive professional shallow socket set. I'll get the half-inch drive professional hex bit socket set. I'll get the quarter-inch drive professional deep socket set, SAE metric. I'll get the Icon quarter-inch drive professional shallow socket set. I don't need the wobble because I already have it. I'll get the quarter-inch drive SAE professional universal joint shallow socket set, 6 piece. I'll get the Icon quarter-inch 3H drive ball hex socket set, possibly. Just depends on what sizes they have. I'm probably going to get the professional super long extension set, 3 piece. Get the Icon 3H drive professional hex bit socket set, SAE and metric. I'll get the Icon 3H drive professional impact socket set, 3H impact and impact in the SAE and metric. I'll get the 3H Icon 3H drive impact swivel socket set, SAE metric. I'll get the Icon 3H drive professional long ball hex key socket set, just in case. in SAE and metric. I'll get the H drive professional long hex bit socket set too, just in case. I've pretty much shown you everything I'll get. There's a few things in here. I'll probably get a few different torque wrenches. Only in quarter inch, half inch, no, quarter inch, 3/8 drive, and half inch. I'll probably get them all so I have a different variety. And of course I've already mentioned impact sockets. There may be some I may get that didn't show up. I'll probably get triple square just in case. I'll get the adapters set, have extension set. Probably get the 10-inch, half-inch drive speed collar impact extension bar too. I'll get the Icon SAE Professional High Torque T-Handle Hex Key Set, 11 piece. I'll get the Icon Professional High Torque T-Handle Torx Key Set. I don't need the Icon Professional Mechanic Screwdriver Set 8 piece because I already have it. I do not need the Icon Color Coded L-Shape Ball End Hex Key Set because I already have it. I'll get the Icon Metric Professional High Torque T-Handle Hex Key Set 8 piece. Or I'll get the 11 piece, not the 8 piece. I'll have to see. Well, no, I'll get it because it's... And then I'll get the Professional Hollow Shaft Metric Nut Drivers, 7 piece. I'll get the Icon Professional Hollow Shaft SAE Nut Drivers, 7 piece. I'll get the Icon Professional Mini Torque Screwdriver Set 4 piece. I'll get the Icon Mini Screwdriver Set 4 piece. I'll get the Icon Professional Radiator Hose Pick Set 6 piece. I'll get the Icon Professional Scraper. I'll get the Icon Professional Mini Soft Grip Pick and Hook Set 4 piece. I'll get the... No, that's too big. I won't have enough room. I'll get the Icon 58-inch Professional Pry Bar with curved tip, just in case, even though I won't have room for it. And then I'll get the Icon Professional Scraper and Removal Tools 4 piece. I do not need the Icon Drop Point Knife with ceramic bearings. But that's everything, so then hopefully you guys like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you get notified when I upload. I sure make YouTube shorts. And keep an eye on the community tab too. YouTube makes features where you get notified when I post some video. Bye guys, peace, I'm out. Oh, I'm probably going to get all the Icon striking tools from what it looks like. Yes, I will, indeed. And then I'll get the Icon Multi-Spline Screw Extractor Set 25 piece. I'll get the Icon SAE Tap and Die Set 41 piece. So, you guys know. And then I'm going to buy these organizers and probably a bunch of other organizers depending on what all else they have. So I'm going to go back through everything and I will keep you guys posted on whatever else I possibly order up from them. And it depends on what else they have that I may need or want. But most of the other stuff I already have, so I don't have to worry. Because all the other stuff I can probably get cheaper through Harbor Freight. So I just wanted to let you guys know.